So I thought I'd give you a quick update about using leaves as mulch. They worked really well, and what's nice is they completely broke down. I mean, there's a few little bits remaining, but most of it just broke right down into the soil, which is excellent for your soil. It's just adding back to it. Over here, these beds had some leftover straw from the previous year, and that's still there, but the leaves themselves are gone. So again, that just adds to the soil. And then on the far bed, same kind of thing. There's a few little leaves everywhere, but most of that all just broke down. So my plan in the next couple of weeks here, after I tear out all of what's in my bed, is I'm going to just layer everything with leaves for the winter, let it break down, and then do the same thing in the spring. So you're constantly adding back to the soil. So I would recommend using leaves. They're awesome. They break down. You're kind of dual purposing it. You're getting two things done at the same time. And it's a good use for leaves that you rake up out of your yard. Thanks for watching.